Hello, good evening, friends. Spirit wants us to know that lots of baby steps make big dreams come true. There is good news coming your way, and it's going to give you reason to want to celebrate. They say you've earned your stripes. You must just stay aligned with your truth. There's excitement happening in the world. Things are picking up, and something good is going to come of all this. The um, uh, the grey clouds, the oppressiveness that was weighing us down is lifting, and they say bring a gentle touch. They say there's happiness coming into your life. You need to be in the here, in the now. There's happiness coming into your home, and they say never allow yourself to be taken for granted. It is better to remove yourself from a situation than to be treated less than you deserve. You are precious and you are worthy. You've taken the leap of faith and you're climbing the ladder to success. You're moving forward now with self confidence, with self determination, self worth. And they say you are doing your best, and that is enough. Any difficulties you face will not last forever. Release the thoughts and feelings that don't feel good. Focus all of your energy on love, happiness, and your hopes and dreams. There is brightness and hope coming into your life, and they say your miracles are endless. Your loved ones want you to know that you must have happy thoughts and let go of stress. They also say that magic flows where intentions go. So think of nice things and smile. And they want you to know that you are lovable. Love who you are, as you are created perfectly. Everything about your true self is beautiful. Have a lovely evening, everybody. I love you all.